Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys this cool item that I actually got. My dad sent a bunch of stuff in the mail around Christmas time for Audrey and Kate, and then I got this included with it. This is an old Lego set that I had when I was a kid, and it's part of the old, Legoland town system. I like it. There's somebody like punched a hole through there on the top corner. I don't know what that's about. But it's the motorcycle shop. It's number 6,373. And, you can kind of look online to see some of those tips about what kind of version of series this is from. But this is just the old kit. And I'm hoping all the pieces are here. I don't know for sure. But I thought I'd try to put it together and show you guys what is inside here. So here's the instruction booklet, for example. It's kind of bent. There we go. There's some cool pictures there of how the set will look, and a couple little dudes there on their bikes, going really fast, because you can see the speedy kind of background there. And all the instructions are here, so I think we'll be able to put it together okay, hopefully. So that it's not too hard. It's a pretty easy piece. It's supposed to have 166 pieces, and there's this nice big base piece that you can use here. And then there's a couple smaller pieces for the roof and stuff. All the pieces are in here. You can see this was from a time, when things weren't really pre-printed. They had stickers that you had to put on yourself. So like this one here, the door has a sticker kind of put on it with that logo. We also had to do this kind of thing where you had to take the piece and then make some of the parts and then put the sticker on. So in this case, this is actually made up of 3 Lego pieces, a base piece, and then these 2 pieces here. And then when all that's together, you put the sticker then on top of all that. So and it looks like, everybody's in here. There's 3 motorcycles. That's encouraging. It looks like they're already made with their lights already on them still, of course. And the red one, the motorcycles are just so cool. And then that guy too, the blue one. And then we've got this dude here, he's cool because he has a leather coat on. Nice, stylish. And then the mechanic dude. So I've got those pieces, and it looks like I may have got the flowers. So we'll try and see how it goes putting it together. Sounds like there's something still in there. Let's see if I can get that out. Maybe it's something I don't want to see, right? Can't get it out. Maybe if I open on this side. Okay, there we go. Well, we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. So put that over there, and hopefully, like I said, that it'll all come together. Oh look, there's a register. That looks cool. So hopefully everything that we want is here. I'll see how it goes putting it together. I don't know what that piece is. Maybe that's from the flowers that you pop off or something. This little guy? I can't remember. So let me see if I can try to put it together. And I don't know if I'm going to go so slow or fast or what necessarily. We'll have to see. Let's see here. The bikes. It's recommended actually, yeah, the red bike, we have the square light on both of those. So that's all finished. There's the red bike with his piece for his light and rear light. The blue one's complete too. And then, oh, look at that, standing up so nice. Oh, you can't see it in shot. It's out of shot. There we go. Out of frame. There we go. So the 3 bikes are completed already. And now I'm just going to go ahead and try to see if I can put together the rest of this and see how it goes. So, oh, there is an extra piece actually for the red bike, and that is the sidecar. So, let me see if I can figure out this. We need, I don't know how much I want to show you guys, or if I'll fast forward things later, maybe not. So, I'm just put this guy together. So that's the finished little guy there with this side piece there on the side. It's not really necessarily a sidecar, it's just more of like a storage unit maybe, kind of on the side there. You can keep stuff maybe for deliveries and things like that. Kind of cool. So that's that part done. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to build this part now, the actual shop. So I'll go ahead and keep going here and we'll see how things go. So far, so good. So far it's going pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the film here so that we don't waste too much time. But I'll show you guys everything when it's done. So there it is, all finished, and it was pretty cool because when I finished it all up, I realized that there was no missing pieces. I thought for a minute I had gotten something put together wrong, and I was like, "Oh, it is missing," but actually it was all there. The only thing to be picky, I suppose, is that the windshield for the bike, I only have one of these, and I think if you look at the picture and stuff, the red one is supposed to have one too, and the yellow one wasn't supposed to have one. So I don't know, maybe we're missing one, possibly two for the windshield, but that's it. Everything else was here and turned out really good. So I was kind of surprised. To give props to my dad for keeping it all in one place. So I don't know how he did it. I don't know how he took it all apart either. I would have not had the patience to take apart every single one of these pieces and put it aside, you know. I'd have big clumps of the building in the box because I'd be just way too lazy to take it apart. That's what I've done with Audrey and Kate stuff. So, but so this is how the finished little motorcycle shop looks with the little flags on the top and stuff. It looks so cool. And then there's flowers over here, and I know some people prefer to make their flowers with the little part at the top. When I was little, I prefer having a smooth surface for my flower, so I made all my flowers like that. So, you know, I know it might be the wrong way, but that's the way I made them when I was a kid. This was such a weird feeling to see this. I played with this all the time when I was a kid, and I had other pieces to it too, which are all still in Colorado. So if I ever decide to bring them all back here or make them from there, I definitely will and share them with you guys. But this was really fun to get to do and to just see all of this again. Very, very nostalgic feeling. So inside we have the shop. You can see there's some cool collection of helmets that you can buy, a couple tools on the wall, a display motorcycle here, and then over in the office section here you have a little like register and then an old school rotary telephone. That's cool. Nobody these days knows what that is. But I love how low that is, but I guess that's about right for Lego height. So turned out pretty cool, I thought, and it was fun to make, that's for sure. And I just love motorcycle Lego motorcycles because they stand up, and that's just so cool to me. Of course, as I say that, then the blue one's not going to stand, right? There we go. But I thought it was a pretty fun kit to make, and it could be a lot of fun. You know, I love Legos, and I saw Kate making her Minecraft Lego, and I thought, I'm going to put my little guy together so you guys can see how cool he is. Look at him looking all bad. My hat to the side. So, yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll have some more videos up and soon here to talk with you guys about life in Japan and living with my daughters Audrey and Kate and what we do day to day and all those kinds of things. So if you guys have anything you'd like me to share with you guys, let me know and I'll do my best to put together some videos for you guys. I will have some more things to share with you guys then in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!